the wake, and fortunately for us, we haven't had any catastrophes or major accidents in our business.
I like the idea that I have an objective reason for knowing right there and then whether the driver should be allowed to get behind the wheel.
The savings to companies with a Fitness for Work program have been impressive. For example, one company cut accidents by 2/3, incidents and errors by over 90%, and workers' comp losses by 64% in their first year of using Factor 1000. Factor 1000 also benefits employees by protecting their safety, well-being, and their rights to privacy.
Now, Joe, you're in the process of negotiating a deal where this equipment might potentially be used for the thousands of people you represent. What do you like about this test?
Well, I'll tell you, I like it a lot better than drug testing.
Why is that?
It's non-invasive. You don't deal as much with the privacy impact that you deal with drug testing. I think it gets right down to the issue of, is the person impaired at the time? Commonly, when someone takes a urinalysis screening, it takes 1 to 3 days to get back the results. The results from this device are immediate.
How would an employer then try to find out, if this test comes back negative against the person's average, what the cause for that person's problem was? To what length should an employer go to find out the root cause?
Again, I think that a meeting needs to occur immediately between the supervisor and the employee. It may be necessary to have the employee talk to an EAP or an employee assistance program, which is something we recommend all employers have in place at the work site as employee assistance to help deal with an employee's problems. I think that one of the things that this impairment testing deals with is something we've said all along, and that is there's a lot more going on in the workplace creating accidents than drug and alcohol, such as fatigue, severe stress, emotional problems, many things that make you lack concentration other than drugs and alcohol.
It's probably a very minimal invasion of privacy that's going to be outweighed by the compelling interest in public safety.
It's not a search, it's not a seizure, it's not dehumanizing, and everyone can support it. If you're interested in regulating off-the-job conduct, if you're interested in regulating morality, companies may not go for it. But anyone that's truly interested in safety should look at this as a godsend.
Business Week called Factor 1000, an idea that seems so obvious, it's hard to figure why nobody thought of it before. Factor 1000. A positive and preventive approach, helping to improve safety, quality, and productivity while protecting individual rights, helping organizations to control risk and reduce losses, helping employees to work injury-free, helping companies to improve the bottom line.